queuing for audition that you are the from me. I never beg for favors.
We just have to go.
Oh God, let's go. But before I go, I want to substantiate my claim of saying Nigeria is a big lie. Please listen to Tafawa Balewa, Nigeria's first prime minister, in 1948. I quote him: "Since 1914, the British government has been trying to make Nigeria into one country, but the Nigerian people themselves are historically different in their backgrounds, religious beliefs, and customs, and do not show themselves any signs or willingness to unite. Nigerian unity is only a British invention." Tafawa Balewa, 1948. Yeah. Okay. Now listen to Nnamdi Azikiwe, 1964. "It is better for us and many admirers abroad that we should disintegrate in peace and not in pieces. Mm-hmm. Should the politicians fail to heed this warning, then I will venture the prediction that the experience of the Democratic Republic of Congo will be a child's play if ever it comes to our turn to play such a tragic role." Nnamdi Azikiwe, 1964. Obafemi Awolowo, "Nigeria is not a nation. It is a mere geographical expression. There are no Nigerians in the same context as there are English, Scots, and Welsh."
Okay.
1947.
Oloye Lekan Alabi.
Yes.
Thank you for featuring on State Affairs.
Thank you for inviting me.
Oloye Lekan Alabi is a Kefa Olubadan of Ibadan land.